How to lose weight fast without starving. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, let's be real. Most of us want to lose weight fast, right? But here is the thing. You don't need to starve yourself. You don't need crazy diets, and you don't need to hate your life just to get in shape. Today I'm going to break it all down for you. How to lose weight quickly, safely, and in a way you can actually enjoy. Let's go. Step 1. Cut the junk, but keep it real. First, you gotta let go of the junk food. I'm talking about soda, chips, candy, fast food. These foods are full of sugar, bad fats, and salt, and they make you crave more. But listen, I'm not saying never eat your favorite snacks. Life's short. Just cut back big time. Save them for once in a while. Step 2. Eat these foods that help you burn fat. You don't have to starve. There are actually foods that help your body burn fat faster. Here are some fat-burning heroes. Eggs, super good for breakfast. Keeps you full. Green tea helps speed up your metabolism. Chicken breast, low in fat, high in protein. Greek yogurt, good protein, good for your gut. Chili peppers, they heat up your body and burn more calories. Avocado, healthy fat that helps you feel full. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, they are low calorie but super filling. Step 3. Move your body. No gym needed. You don't need a fancy gym to start burning fat. Here is what you can do. Walk 30 to 45 minutes a day. Super simple but super effective. Try home workouts like jumping jacks, squats, push-up. 20 minutes a day is enough. Dance in your room, seriously. Burn calories while having fun. The secret? Just move every day. Step 4. Drink more water. Sometimes you are not even hungry. You're just thirsty. Drink lots of water. It keeps you full, helps you burn fat, and it's great for your skin too. Bonus tip. Drink 1 glass of water before every meal. You'll probably eat less without even trying. Step 5. Sleep like a boss. If you don't sleep enough, your body holds on to fat. It's weird, but true. Try to get 7 to 9 hours of good sleep every night. When you sleep well, your body burns more fat, controls hunger better, and gives you more energy to move the next day. Step 6. Cut back on sugar. Sugar is everywhere. Drinks, sauces, even healthy snacks. Too much sugar makes your body store fat like crazy. So, cut out soda and energy drinks. Drink water, tea, or black coffee instead. Eat real fruits instead of candies and cakes. Your body will thank you. Step 7. Be consistent. Look, you're not going to lose 10 kilograms overnight. But if you eat clean most of the time, move your body every day, drink water, sleep well, you will see results in just a few weeks. The fastest way to lose weight is actually sticking to it. Don't give up after 3 days. Stay with it for at least 3 to 4 weeks. Final quick tips. Eat slowly. Your brain needs time to feel full. Don't drink your calories. Stay away from milkshakes and sugary drinks. Protein is your best friend. Eggs, chicken, fish, beans. Wrap up. So yeah, losing weight fast isn't about starving or doing anything crazy. It's about smart choices, moving your body, and being kind to yourself. You got this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.